Hi guys, my name is Shosha Oposo and welcome to Inspiredfingers.net. Today I'll be taking through your very first ear training drill. Over time I've discovered that a lot of musicians find it so hard to recognize notes, and even though they can recognize it, they can't sing it, and vice versa. You understand? Some can actually sing it, but they can't tell you what note they are singing. So it's just like, the other side of the coin. Alright, so this is what we're trying to curb. We're trying to, build you into gaining mastery over notes recognition, and for you to be able to sing it accurately. So just kindly go through this lesson step by step. I'll be releasing other lessons soon, again on this same kind of ear training drills and all that. Then hopefully we see improvement. So just keep going through it step by step so that you can practice and also gain mastery over them. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so the objective for today is for us to be able to recognize the notes of the major scale using the tonic soft notation. Now the tonic soft notation is basically do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. You understand? So you want to be able to do this both ascending and descending, but please I would advise gaining mastery over the ascending pattern before you now attempt the descending pattern. So on the piano, like for the key of C, it will sound like this: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. You understand? I could sing it very well and accurately. Why? Because I've gained mastery over it. So for the first time, it could be a challenge for you. So like I said before, try it ascending, then before you can now attempt going in the descending format. And there's also something you want to be doing. You can ask a pianist to play it for you, like then you sing it: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So you just keep doing it over and over. That's in the ascending format. You could even try it right now. Okay, so after gaining mastery over that, then you can now say, okay, let me try out the descending format. That's like this: do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So try it out. Okay, so you want someone to actually decide or to judge you, to tell you you're not singing it right or you're singing it right. Understand? Most times I would just prefer you being with someone who knows this stuff already. Understand? So that the person can actually judge, give you a verdict whether you're actually doing it right or wrong. You understand? So it's very, very important to know how to recognize notes accurately. This is just a major scale for now. We'll give you some other exercises that will help you as well. Then please, like I said, you want to be with someone who knows this stuff, so that person can actually judge you and tell you doing it right or you're doing it wrong. Because some people might think do, that's wrong. Re, mi. You understand? I hope you get what I'm trying to say. I'm singing out of what I'm playing. Understand? Which is not right. You must be able to hit it accurately. Do, re, mi. You understand? Then when you're done with the key of C, you could also try for other keys as well. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, Then also try on other keys like D, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. You understand? And when you're going up like that, you notice that you're now stretching your voice, like you're like stretching much more higher, because you're going to the higher region of the piano right now. You understand? So you just need to be able to attack the notes very well so that you get the accurate sound. You understand? Do, you must shout like like for the first time you must shout. You understand? Maybe until I've gotten mastery over it, then you can now know how to minimize your voice when singing it. All right, so I don't want to keep this video so long, so that's why I'm going to stop right now. I hope to see you later, and please send in your comments, like what do you want us to improve on this video, or like if this video is like helpful to you. I just want you to be growing constantly. That's my whole aim and objective of doing this. All right, thank you so much, and I love you guys. Bye.